My friends, it's Sean Vigue with SeanVigueFitness.com. Thanks for clicking on this video today. This is another workout in my new Yoga for Men series. This is Yoga for Men Abs, focusing on building strong abs, also building flexibility in the abdominals, and integrating the rest of the body into the workout. No weights, no machines, only the greatest gym we will ever have, which is our body weight. Are you ready? Check in below, and let's go. We got 10 minutes to make some magic happen here. Let's begin with classic plank. Oh, that's my backyard, by the way. Hands down, under the shoulders. Draw the shoulders back. Let's move this or hold this for 5 breaths. Draw the shoulders back. And every time you exhale, I want you to activate the abdominals. Pull them up towards the spine, working your rectus abdominis muscle. That's your six-pack muscle, and sucking the breath, the air out of the lungs. So squeeze that abdominals, pull that belly button into the spine as you exhale. Great way to really get some blood flow in your core, in your center, and let it spread outward. Let's breathe in the nose and out the mouth. Pressing the heels back. One more breath. Always focus on good alignment. Bringing all the parts together. Now press it back. 2 breaths. Child's pose. Let's stretch out the back, stretch out the abdominals. Knees a little bit wider than the hips. And we're going to flow from one pose, one exercise to the next. So modify as needed. Spider-Man plank. Come back to classic plank. Really building some strength in the arms and shoulders. 20 times, we're gonna exhale, bring the leg out, inhale, return. Twist your body towards that leg. 2, let's do 20. 3, inhale, exhale. 4, good slow, steady pace. Integrating as much as we can of the body in such a short amount of time. Now do 20. I always say my counting is terrible. I'm going to do 10 more. Excellent. 12. How's that feel? 5 more. For me, do 20 yourself. Woo! Good burning. I'm going to do 1 more for extra credit. Pull, and now hold the plank. How's that feel? I'll stop asking that. Or press forward. This is hover. A little more advanced, sometimes way more advanced. Elbows into the sides. We do hover a lot in our power yoga flows. So squeeze the elbows in. 2 more breaths. Squeeze the abdominals on the exhale. Pull those abs in. Vacuum out the breath. Okay, down. Quick child's pose again. Stretch it back. As I said, bringing as much of our body into these exercises as possible. That beautiful integration. Okay, let's come to take a couple little shoulder drops here. Whew. Beautiful day. Bridge with knee ins. Classic bridge pose. All right, feet flat, couple inches apart. Reach the arms forward, fingers brushing the heels. Take your pelvis right here and tilt it up so we rise up into that bridge. Weight is in the shoulders. Now you can hold here, focus on lifting, flattening out the abdominals, or the knee ins. 20 times. We exhale, bring the knee in, inhale down. 2, 3, 4. Keep the lift. 5. Exhale in, inhale down. 7. 8. Hey, my counting's better this time. How about that, my friend? 10 more times. 11. 12. Smooth. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. Oh, we got it. 20. Now lift. Take 2 breaths. Feel that stretch, getting some beautiful natural curve in your lower back. And now keep that pelvis up, tilted up as we roll down. 1 vertebrae at a time, slowly down to the mat. Bring the knees into the chest for just a breath or 2. I guess I meant 2. And we come to a frozen scissors crunch. We got room here. All right, right leg up. You can take the left leg out or place the foot flat. Arms forward or fingers to the back of the head. Hold for 5 breaths. Every exhale, lengthen the legs to where you are and lift the chest towards the knee. Really squeeze those abdominals. Let your body shake. Shaking is good. It means you're pushing past your threshold. And that's the business we are in. Stronger every day. One more breath. Lift, 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 lift. Now switch the legs. All right, right here. 5 breaths. Each exhale, stretch the legs. So we're getting some beautiful flexibility training in the hamstrings and calves. Is this an exercise that's challenging you? That's good. We're hitting the right spots. I'm going to do one more breath here. Lift. Oh, feel that nice squeeze. Now, straddle stretch, lying straddle stretch. Take your head down for a moment. You can keep the knees bent here or extend out as much as you can. Here's the straddle. Little Van Damme move. Fingers, reach to that right foot, your left foot, or fingers to the back of the head. 5 breaths. Each exhale, again, lengthen the legs like we did before and lift. Some excruciatingly good stretching in the groin, the psoas, the hamstrings, the inner thighs as we're working the obliques, the side muscles. All right, other side. Over. Point the feet if you wish. Really stretch out. 5 breaths. It's like I'm trying to lift the X-Wing out of the swamp at Dagobah. That is why you fail. I think I know what movie's going in my DVD player later. One more breath. All right. Take a quick breather. When you're ready, look at this. Right to the center. 5 breaths. We're lifting and opening. Maybe your whole body is vibrating. That's beautiful. It's beautiful. So you're hitting those sweet spots. You're working areas that need to be stretched, that need to be strengthened, just polished up, and then you go on your way to do everything better. Better athletic performance, better performance in everything. Okay, legs up. Ooh, got me. 5 breaths. Reach for the sky or fingers to the back of the head. Bend the knees where appropriate if you need to. Lift. Lift that tailbone up a little bit. 2 more breaths. And once more. Up. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Okay. Let's put a little shininess on those abs. Drop those legs back and forth. Windshield wipers. Stretching the sides, stretching the abdominals. As I said in the beginning of this workout, of course you're building strength in here, but also flexibility, mobility in your midsection. Very, very important for any sport or activity that you do. One more time. Each side, drop and drop. See how much time we have left. Let me know below if you want more of these abs-centered workouts like this with yoga. Coming into, oh yes, down dog to Spider-Man. We did Spider-Man earlier from plank. Let's add a down dog stretch. Down dog is a very, very classic and famous yoga pose. So hands down, pressing back. Heels working their way towards the mat. Let's do 10 of these, alternating each time. You're going to lift your right leg up. Inhale forward, and it comes out like that. Look at that. And then back. Up, other side. Squeeze in that direction. Here's 3. And 4. Whew. Getting that flow, always flowing. 5. 6. Practice. Practice makes the master. 7. Übung macht den Meister. 8. 2 more, my friend. Squeeze to the side. Maybe if we do another one of these, I'll show you the Spider-Man push-up. And scene. Okay, bring the knees down. Couple little shoulder rolls, shoulder drops. Oh, so much time, or so little time, so much to do. Let's finish with a little boat series here. Feet flat. Suicidal bee right in the cheek. Thumbs up for the bees. All right, shoulders back and down. Arms forward, drop them down slightly. Stay here. You can bring the feet up into half boat, engaging the abdominals. Squeeze the abs on the exhales, or you can take the legs all the way out. Either one of those for 5 breaths. Finish off. Drop the shoulders. Sustain it with the breath. Ooh, shaking. One more breath. Oh, we've done it, my friends. Ooh, fantastic work. Well done. By the power of Crumb! Hey, it's Sean again. If you like this video, I have a free gift for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from my vault. All you have to do is click the first link in the description below or in the pinned comments, and that will take you to a page where you enter your email address, and I will send you that free video right away. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to this channel by pressing the subscribe button, smashing the like button, and check in below with any feedback, questions, or if you have any specific workout requests for me, put those in the comment section below. That is the best place to reach me.